Hi Morphe babes, it's Nikita Dragun and
the Icy Girl Saweetie.
And today we're debuting a new segment, Slurps and Shades, introducing the brand new
24A Hour Pass. 24A Artist Pass.
She's a rapper, you guys. She's not a YouTuber. It's just a little bit different.
Oh, she gonna kill me. It's for festival season, y'all. I got it on my lids.
So today we're not only swatching all the shades and playing around, but we're also doing a little bit of a mukbang because Miss Sweetie over here,
we're hungry. She hungry, so we gonna eat today, y'all.
I can't wait. Even though this is a Slurps and Shades, we still have to be sipping. So what are you sipping on, Miss Icy Girl?
Girl, Hennessy on my lips.
Take a little sip, I'm gonna make that shit. I'm not even gonna sing the rest because there's been too many YouTubers. There's been too many YouTubers caught up. So I'm gonna sip on this 1942. So Miss Icy Girl, how is doing this little campaign moment?
Girl, it was so much fun. And you know what I really like about it? It is hella pigmented.
What are you
wearing on this?
Oh, pigment.
Pigment.
I like how you know how to swatch though.
And then I know y'all be doing this, right?
Which one? Yeah. I'm so proud. That one is
I think this one is the most fun though.
Wait, you're literally digging your whole ass nail in there?
Yeah, it's like the ultimate Icy Girl shade. Ooh.
Wait, on camera that's crazy.
That's crazy.
And it has stars in it.
Alright girl, you have to teach me how to be a YouTuber.
No, I kind of live for this like little moment. I mean, this is how girls have to learn.
So I got all of the highlighters on my hand right now. So right here we have Front Row, Private Oasis, Spotlight Stealer, and Secret Set. And what I really think is really cute about this is every shade has something to do with like a festival. So it's like Stage Persona, Wild Out, Security, Desert Vibes,
Security,
Portrait Mode, All Access, Fit of the Day, hashtag Fit of the Day. It's just a whole bunch of cute. Oh, Insta Baddie, that's hella cute.
Invite only.
Invite only. That's some LA shit right there.
Green room, mic drop, major inspo. Who comes up with this stuff at Morphe? Y'all need to get a raise. So I think it's time to have a sip now that we've gone through a little bit of the shades. This one?
Are you gonna drink it at the bottom?
I mean, I thought that's what we're doing. This is the Artist Palette, girl. You know, I thought we were living the festival fantasy. We're backstage.
All right, so I'm gonna pour mine in here, and you're more than welcome to drink it at the bottom. Girl.
I don't know if I can really drink Hennessy like that.
No, you can drink that at the bottom.
I'd be singing like Hennessy, but I never really have Hennessy on my lips. I'm a fake Icy Girl.
So 42 on your lips. Take a little sip. Have a seat on the door. You gotta make that grip. Are you ready? What are we cheersing to?
Cheers to our makeup staying on all festival season.
Yes.
Cheers to our waist to hip ratio being out of this world.
Yes, non-existent.
Non-existent.
Yes.
Cheers to being the baddest bitches without needing to even try.
Yes, girl.
Cheers.
Cheers. So we have 3 lip glosses. We have a purple one. And it's like, it looks like a galaxy.
Ooh.
It's hella cute. It's super like icy and shiny. There's a peach one, you know, if you don't want to be, you know, too loud.
Yeah.
And there's a yellow one, so just in case, you know, you get it popping in the middle of the festival, it's discreet because when you're done, it doesn't, you know, you can't really see it.
Yeah.
2 of my colors are like hella popping. They're vibrant. And one of them is like, you know,
More chill.
More chill.
An everyday girl.
An everyday girl. But
Yeah.
you know, girls be like, anything can happen during the festival. You don't want to look messy after it happens.
Honey, you had to get the Artist Pass somehow. I'm saying because she's a rap. You're a rapper. You're the artist.
Okay, so what I look for in a lip gloss, it has to be super thick, it has to be juicy, and it has to smell good.
So you.
Yes, girl, it has to be like me. I look for lip glosses that remind me of me.
All right, Morphe babes, so we've officially swatched. We've talked about the palette. Look how, I mean, okay, don't look at Sweetie's nail marks in here. But that makes it more expensive because Saweetie, the #1 mother, you know, she touched it. So we have neutrals up here, shimmers, glitters.
All right, we've been chilling, we've been talking. It's time to slurp, eat, Girl, are you hungry?
I'm starving.
Okay, let's slurp and shake.
So now we're officially slurping. I am now a slurping
dragon.
Slurping dragon, but I'm a slurping amateur, so I'm actually gonna be learning from you.
Okay. So my favorite is a lobster because it's chunky and big and it has a lot of texture to it. So why don't you get your lobster out?
Oh!
Okay, so crack, girl.
Okay.
So get the body and then push it in. Oh, you squeeze it like this. You hear it? Yeah. I love those cracking noises. You get it? Crack it. Open it. Pull it out. Boom.
That was the craziest shit I've ever seen.
You wanna split it?
I'll have a little bit. Like a fourth. A quarter.
Oh my gosh. I'm like, my mouth
I'm
is like
so
salivating.
scared. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Mm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice, chunky, and full of flavor.
Wait, okay, that was really yummy. I don't like the cracking part, but like this part, I like.
You can just feel it everywhere in your body. Oh my gosh. And then you gotta get some rice.
Okay, I know about rice for sure.
Man. Oh my gosh, I like live for all
That
the
is
juices.
so. But I see what you're saying though, this lip gloss that you have, like you can eat and go off and it's still just like this cute little moment.
Yeah, it's still on my lips, guys.
Okay, what else do I'm gonna eat some of this chicken.
Oh, some chicken. Where the hot sauce at?
You like it spicy?
Do you?
No.
Really?
Yeah, my mom's Mexican and my dad's Viet. Like, you would think I would love it, like, sriracha the house, but I don't. Wait, what is your background?
Chinese, Filipino, and black girl. So I'm with all the spices.
This is good. Come on. This is good. This is good.
I'm just digging it.
No, thank you.
You got some snow crab. You know how to crack some crab though, right?
You do it with your hands or that you do it with the thing.
Girl, how you Asian and not know how to crack some crab?
I don't know. I've never had crabs in my life.
What?
Oh.
Girl, I'm not one of your men. You don't have to lie to me. Some crab, you dip it. You get it? And then the meat comes out. And then you pull it.
You are a bad bitch.
Girl, I've been cracking crab since I was like 3 years old. So.
Oh, that worked.
8-inch big woo. You're so pretty with it. Girl, get in there.
Dang.
Such a lady.
Also, sweetie, why is it sweetie? I mean, I'm sure you probably said it a million times, but like, say it 1,000,001 times.
Well, my grandma, who's like my best friend, called me Sweetie growing up. Her Sweetie. It was my MySpace name, and I was hella popping on MySpace, so it just kind of stuck. How'd you get Nikita Dragun?
I mean, what do you mean? I was born with that name. Duh. I was born with this body. Okay. So like my old name was closest to Nicole, and I just felt like Nicole is not me. Could you imagine me being a Nicole? No shade to like Nicole's, but me personally, I'm just like not. Okay, I know it's Nicole over there, but
no,
like,
it's Nick, girl.
But it's lipstick Nick. Okay.
Yeah, we're not talking about you.
But even still, like I just don't like embody a Nicole, and even like I had a fake ID for a while. And it was Nicole, like it was Nicole on the ID, and it just didn't feel like it fit.
Girl.
So I was watching TV and I was obsessed with a show called Nikita. It was with the Asian girl. It's on CW, and she was an assassin. And she was everything. It's on Netflix right now. It's so good. And she was like wig changes. She was assassinating people. She was such a badass. And I was like, oh my god, this is like an Asian female that I like I vibe with. Like she's everything. And Dragun came from because I was like the only like Asian kid in my like growing up. So like a lot of times, you know how kids will tease you and be like, oh, you look like a mouse, you look like a elephant, you look like a monkey or whatever. Like they literally were telling me like, oh, sorry, that's my birth control tracker. Hold on.
Wait, for real?
So like I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted from that time of the month. Dragun came from basically being teased as a little child, a little boy at the time, and everyone used to call me like Dragun. They'd be like, oh, you look like a dragon, da, da, da. And like I used to cry. Like I was like, I know Dragun is so cool, but like back in the day, like I was
where did they even get Dragun? How did somebody?
Well, because I was Asian, so it was like Dragun, like Asian Dragun. You know what I mean? I know. So I just made it my name. Wait, why did you spell it Saweetie?
Girl, cause Sweetie is basic, and I'm not a basic bitch. I'm not basic.
You can say
Sorry, Morphe.
Am I bleeped or not?
She y'all.
Is it bleep? Is it bleep?
Huh?
Say
bitch.
Okay, so how Saweetie and I met, it all started back in the festival season, which is so right for this little palette moment. I was really sad, going through a lot of things, but looking really cute, you know, as we do.
I can relate.
Like sometimes the cutest I look, the cuter I look, the sadder I am. So like, yeah, I just have to compensate, you know, like it can't be like everything at once. So I heard this song and it went a little bit dun 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 dun. But rewind even further. And I actually, when I started pussy scenting, I don't know even if you know this.
Fun fact
For real. My very first pussy scent ever, that's on my Instagram, is to, cause I'm icy. Wife me. Hey, wanna bite me. And I'm literally walking in like a fur jacket. There's a person mopping in the background. It's like everything, and that was like the first pussy scent I ever had. And then when it came full circle, when I was doing my type, and I was like, dun, 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 dun. And that one like popped off. I was like, oh my god, wow, like I've been a Saweetie icy girl all my life and I didn't even know. Miss Saweetie.
Yes, girl. Was
it always music for your life? Like, was this always your goal?
I wanted to sing at first, but I heard other people sing, like Beyonce, and I was like, oh, I can't sing like that. I'd be an astronaut.
Really?
Yeah.
I could shoot that for you.
Yeah.
With like a sickening, like the astronaut shoot would have like a sickening small waist and like big old hips.
Like a fashionable astronaut. What would you be?
I'm obsessed with like anime, and I feel like I would be like a storyboard like anime person, or like an anime like voiceover, because I feel like that would be my journey.
Oh, I like that.
Like a kawaii watashi wa Nikita desu hajimemashite dozo yoroshiku.
Oh, you're good at this. You need to teach me something?
Okay, be like watashi wa Saweetie desu.
What is that?
It's like, my name is Saweetie.
Watashi wa Saweetie desu.
Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Yeah. Dozo yoroshiku. Dozo yoroshiku. Alright, Morphe babes, we're officially done with our slurps and shades, introducing the brand new
24A Artist Pass.
Period. Saweetie, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations for being a Morphe model. I did it a little bit a while ago, and then listen, I'm only gonna pass the torch to a bad bitch who's gonna level it up.
And you know, I want all my icy girls to get this for festival season. It'll have you nice, cute, all that good stuff. You know, you've seen it on me.
Don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and comment what you would like to see next from Saweetie and I. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Wait, how do you say bye?
Bye.
Bye.